used to do a lot of construction work, and where I had to work overhead, like doing sheetrocking, and I was just having more and more trouble. Anything where I had to lift something over my head, like even putting a bicycle on top of a car, became a real problem. The pain that I had in my shoulders was a stabbing, shooting pain, and there was no way I could sleep through it. I slept on a chair downstairs, many a night before I got my shoulders fixed. In order to fix the problem, I had to have a rotator cuff repair on both shoulders and a bicep repair on one shoulder. Now they're pretty good, but I can sleep through the night, and that was really the main goal of having the surgery. Dr. Postma was very empathetic to my problems. He understood what I was going through and how I couldn't complete some of my daily activities because of the pain in my shoulder. And that was very helpful, knowing that he was being straightforward with me and figuring out a solution to my problem.